Ayan guys, ang ganda guys. Crispy na yung skin, oh. Ay, crispy pa. Tesa. Oh my God, takot na takot ako ngayon. Hold on. Oh my God, I'm really so scared.
Good morning, Philippines!
Morning guys! Today is January 1. Gagigising ko lang actually. And then, here, nag-i-edit, nanonood, tumatawag sa family, nanonood ng mga family, nag-post ng mga pictures, videos from New Year's, Christmas. So yun, nanonood lang ako. And good morning po sa inyo. Happy New Year sa inyong lahat dyan. So punta tayo sa baba. Kasi umiiyak talaga yung little man ko. Umiiyak ng umiiyak. Hindi mapigilan yung iyak. Why you're crying? Why you crying? Why you crying, little man? What do you want? Bob? Do you wanna come in? Or do you wanna food? You're hungry? Are you hungry, Bob? Oh, you hungry, little man. Hala, tignan nyo guys yung ulo. Huy, put your ulo back. Huy, put your head. Put your head back. Little man, go. Wiggle your head. Wiggle your head back. Hala, uy, di na maigo. Little man, hala. Sus, Ginoo ko, Lord. Okay, let's go down. That's it. Come here. Come, let's go down. Hi, Rock. Hello. Hi, baby. Hi. Okay. Ito yung Christmas, guys. New Year's, no? Meron pa din cookies, oh. Hindi pa natapos yung cooking yan. Magluluto lang ako ng egg. Kasi nanonood ako ni Anakay, guys. Anakay. Binali ko lang ito kasi sinuot ko to kahapon. Pero early in the morning. So, explain pa tayo dito. Kailangan pa talagang mag-explain kung ano yung sinuot, bakit binalik. Kasi alam na, meron kasing magsasabing, pabolik-bolik naman lang na, day. Wala na, julain, day. Anyway, magluluto tayo ng egg. And kasi, kakain, sabi ko sa asawa ko, kakain ka, magluluto ako. Walang choice, kain ka. Kakain tayo. Oh, goodness. Yep. Bread. And then, grabe, tumawag ako sa Pilipinas this morning. Sabi pa ng kapatid ko, nagtanong ako guys, sabi pa niya, anong mga ginawa nila last night, ganun. Yung 12 o'clock sa Pinas, sabi pa niya, nagkaraoke daw sila until 2 o'clock. Sabi ko, karaoke pa hanggang 2 o'clock talaga ng gabi, umaga. Oh my God, sabi pa niya, maingay. Nakalimutan ko talagang maingay pala dun. I mean, maingay naman talaga dun, pero kapag mga ganun, New Year's, ganun. Pero karaoke, na ako hindi nakapag-celebrate ng Christmas at New Year. Well, Christmas, that was 2012 dun ako. Meron akong cousin pala, guys. Balita ko sa inyo, ha. Meron akong cousin ba, naawa ako kasi nagkasakit. Doon siya sa hospital na Christmas. And then nag-ano siya, yung nag-dialysis na siya, guys. Nagtanong ako sa kapatid ko kung bakit, anong dahilan, ganyan. Sabi pa ng sister ko, palagi daw siya, every time daw na kumain, may suka. Hala, guys, ako, guys, suka, pahisuka din ako, guys. Kaming family, pahisuka, yung mga suka ba. Pagkatapos ng sinabi ng sister ko na about sa suka, naisipan ko, ayaw ko na magsuka ako, guys, pero hindi na talaga katulad ng, alam nyo naman ako, hindi man every kain na may suka, pero most of the time talaga gusto kong may suka. Pero iwasan ko yan. Yun, dialysis na siya, guys. May ano na daw dito. Bangag dito. Sa liig. Hindi ko alam, sabi pa niya sa liig daw. Pero, you know, nakakasad lang ba? Did you put the big fork over there? Good job, baby. You know it. Good job. Oh my God. My little bug. Tell him to get down. I told you to get down, little man. Get down ba? Good boy. Open your hand. And my sister told me, oh, we did karaoke last night until 2 o'clock. I said, oh my God, if you do that here in the US, the neighbor will call a police. Hey, 911?
That's true.
They can do that here, right? Yeah, but they do that.
Inside your house, it's fine.
Yeah, but still, they can still hear it. Karaoke and it's loud. We want loud. We want our voice come out there, okay? That's how we do karaoke. We're not karaokeing like just us can hear. When we do karaoke, we want our voice come out everywhere. That's what do. Nakipag-usap si Roxy, guys. Nothing. They're just looking something for no reason. They always do that, huh? Oh, it fell down? Little man! Nabahala ka. Anyway guys, kakain lang kami guys. Ito na lang ang aso talaga. Good morning! First day natin ito guys. Good morning guys. Mag-exercise tayo. Lift up abs. Sa laptop ko siya tinignan sa hard drive. But anyway, good morning. Exercise tayo. First day ito. Hello guys! Lechon paksiw tayo guys. Inalis ko yung skin kasi gusto kong kainin. Ito siya. Nilagyan ko lang siya ng black pepper and garlic. A lot of lime and soy. Water guys. Water and vinegar. And then, ano pa yun? Ano pa? Vinegar and oil guys. Oil, of course, oil. Ito guys, ang daming lime na nilagay ko. Kasi gusto ko yung mas parang kalamansi ba? Yung feel mo yung kalamansi, yun siya. And kakainin natin yan mamaya sa mukbang. Bang. And then I'm gonna bring that to the other house also tomorrow. That's my baby because my husband love it guys. I don't know, he love my pork adobo, pork kumba, pork ganito like this. He likes it. So, takluban natin yan. Initin ito at kainin. Ito siya. Kainin natin ito guys. Hold on guys ha. Masarap ito. Hala, yung tami. Hala. Hindi pala siya crunchy. Call from Israel. Hello? Hi baby. Let's get downstairs. I need water. I don't have water here. Let's get downstairs. Look, this is, ito yung sinot ko. Come here, Rox. Come here, Rox. Let's go down. Good morning! Today is my day 2. January 4. Na tayo, hindi ako nakapag-exercise 1 and 2. So, day 2 natin ngayon. Sinuot ko lang siya kasi gusto kong suotin for 4 hours only. Dahil exercise tayo, kakain tayo ng, alam nyo na, magmukbang tayo ng pork belly. Ginawa ko itong mga exercise para naman hindi ako lugi. Diba? Kasi every time na lang magmumukbang ako. So parang tataba. Tumaba na nga ako dahil sa mukbang. Hindi naman ako ganito kataba. Lalo na itong mukha, ito yung mas madaling bilog. Then, ang susunod is yung stomach ko. So, yun. So, I have to exercise, burn the fat. And this one right here will help me also while doing exercise. And, meron na akong bay leaves. Pinaningot ako ng maraming singotik. Okay. Ibuboil ko lang siya and then, i-rotisserie natin sa machine. Yan. Lagyan natin ng bay leaves. Dalawa. Yan. Ito siya. May laman siya. Hindi talaga siya totally na yung panit. May ano siya, may unod. May laman, may unod. And lagyan natin ng para malasa, tuyo. And then, i-rotisserie natin siya mamaya. Yep, inom tayo ng maraming tubig para magkaigit-igit. Pasensya na sa nagkumakain. Hala, oy. Sira na, hindi pala. Dami na itong sugar ba? Banana. Feeling ko healthy na ako ngayon pero mamaya maging kakain tayo ng fatty fat. There's rain in the area. It says. Hala, it says so, it's gonna be nasty rain tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm here. What happened?
I don't know what it was. They didn't clean up the line, so lost them in the house.
These two dogs, you guys are just making noises. Ito yung pork skin. Meron siyang konting meat sa binuboil ko siya, nilagyan ko siya ng garlic powder, salt, pepper, at kaunting Maggi Sabor na kalamansi. So yun, and ano natin ito siya sa rotisserie.
3 million plus. Katurang butakan.
Unsa man dito siya?
Mura to siya kuan ba? Mura to siya masakyan ba? Oh, lagi na si iputanan niyo. Gunay kakanta.
Yun guys, ang ganda guys. Crispy na yung skin, oh. Ay, crispy pa.
Messi pa.
Tesa.
Ay, pa. Yung tao. Isa mo, usa man dadamuha man na naglawas usa.
Mo na gusto na ako nga ipakuan ni Roy ba achieve. Hi guys, I'm talking to my friends again. So ito sila oh. And also guys, yun guys. Malapit na guys. Imukbang natin yan guys. Imumukbang natin yan. And yun. So, ang sawap nito. Ang sawap. Ay, nakakaloka ang ginawa ng panahon. Naka-lipstick pala ako guys dahil katapos ko lang nag-film ng mukbang ko. Yung mukbang ko guys is sobrang sarap. Yung mukbang ko is yung pork lechon, pork skin. Yung grabe yung pagka-crunchy niya. In sarap, lechon na lechon talaga yung dating. Oh my god, takot na takot ako ngayon. Hold on. Oh my god, I'm really so scared. Hold on guys. I'm watching Bird Box. Oh my god, and Netflix. Because of Bird Box, I decided to do the Netflix. So yun, may Netflix tayo. Get down, right? You guys are Misty, no growling to your sister. No growling to your sister. Be a good girl. Yes, you are a good girl. Yes, I know you are my baby. Aloy, masuko man. Ay, kasuko. Ay, be a good girl. Sit down. Okay. Okay, enough. Where is the beep? Beep, you don't listen. I'll put you guys down. I will put you down. You don't listen. No. Don't do that, huh? Pet. No, my God, that one. No, stay down. Down. Stop begging for something. So, yun guys. So, nagdesisyon akong mag-Netflix. May free trial sila, for 1 month. And let's see kung magagamit ko ba siya o hindi. And then, I will cancel it. So, at least for 1 month, I can watch, yung mga movies na gusto ko or yung mga series. Kung gusto ko man siya, then I will do it. I did only like $10 and pinaka-ano nila is yung $13. So, yung $10 lang yung inano ko. Kaloka yung Bird Box, guys. Gusto kong mag-Bird Box challenge. Tapos na ako nanonood ng Bird Box. Ngayon, I'm going to take off my, makeup. Okay, labasin ko lang tong mga dugi-dugdug ko. And then, I will see you later na lang. I will see you tomorrow. Aha! Kakit na lang ni baby, oy. Kakit na lang sa baby ni mama. Kayut mo na, oy. You too, you're jealous. Misty, stop leaking, Mitch. I love you. I love you. Ang galing-galing. Anyway, guys, good night. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Good night, guys. Good night. Mwah.